When will an investigative report from the Integrity Commission be tabled in Parliament? It's a question being raised by the parliamentary opposition in the House of Representatives. On Monday, January 22, the Integrity Commission indicated that the report was sent to the Clerk of the Houses of Parliament, the Senate President, and House Speaker Juliet Holness. MP for South East St. Andrew, Julian Robinson, first raised the issue on Tuesday, January 23.
I ask for a recommittal of announcements, please. I'd just like to find out the Integrity Commission report, which was sent to the Parliament yesterday. When will it be tabled in the House?
There is no need for recommittal of announcement. The ruling of the Speaker stands. Please refer to the ruling as it relates to the tabling of all reports from the Commission.
1 week later, the Integrity Commission report was still not tabled when announcements were first made in the House. Mrs. Holness was not at today's sitting at the time. Mr. Robinson raised the issue with Deputy Speaker Heroy Clark.
Mr. Speaker, at the end of the last sitting, I asked the Speaker about a report from the Integrity Commission, which was sent to the Parliament a week ago on Monday, and the Speaker's curt response was it would be dealt with in accordance with her ruling. Her ruling, which I don't agree with, but nonetheless is her ruling, said that investigative reports would be tabled as soon as possible. That report was sent to the Houses of Parliament on January 22nd, which is last week, Monday. We are now at the 30th. I don't see it on the announcements, so I'd like to know what the status of that report is. And I would also like to know whether the Parliament is in receipt of any other report from either the Integrity Commission or the Auditor General's Department that has not been tabled as yet.
I am not in a position to give an answer to that. I will investigate as best as possible, and if be, I'll bring back information to the House of Parliament. I will give an answer as soon as it is with me.